Experiencing Logon Timed Out errors with your Netgear Orbi app? You're not alone. This frustrating issue affects thousands of users, but the good news is that it's completely solvable. To understand why these timeouts happen, we need to look at how the Orbi app actually works. The app doesn't just connect directly to your router. It operates through multiple sophisticated connection layers. The Orbi app operates through 4 critical connection layers. First, it establishes a local network connection, communicating directly with your router via Wi-Fi. Second, it performs cloud authentication through Netgear's remote servers to verify your account. Third, the app uses a device discovery protocol to automatically detect and locate your Orbi devices on the network. Finally, it maintains session management to keep active connections between the app and your hardware. Timeouts can occur in 4 main scenarios. The most common is during initial setup when you're first configuring your Orbi system. Authentication timeouts happen when logging into your Netgear account, often due to server communication issues. Network discovery timeouts occur when the app cannot locate your Orbi devices on the network. Finally, configuration change timeouts happen when you're trying to modify settings and the app loses connection during the process. The good news is that as of 2025, Netgear has been actively releasing updates to address these timeout issues. They've improved server infrastructure, enhanced security protocols, and expanded cloud-based management features. Most importantly, there are proven troubleshooting steps that resolve these issues in the majority of cases. Let's start with the most common fixes for Orbi app timeouts. First, optimize your Wi-Fi connection to ensure stable communication between your device and the Orbi system. If connection issues persist, try switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands. Each band has different characteristics that may work better in your environment. Next, ensure your Orbi system is running the latest firmware. Outdated firmware is a common cause of app connectivity issues and can be easily resolved with an update. Now let's focus on the Orbi app itself. Force closing and restarting the app often resolves temporary glitches. You should also clear the app cache or offload the app completely. Authentication issues are another common cause of timeouts. Verify your Netgear account credentials are correct, and consider resetting your password if login attempts consistently fail. For advanced users experiencing persistent issues, check your firewall settings to ensure they're not blocking Orbi app communication. Also, verify that your DNS settings aren't interfering with Netgear services. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves 78% of Orbi app timeout issues. Most problems can be fixed with the basic steps we've covered, making these techniques highly effective for restoring app functionality.